case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark court case, Town of Concord v. Boston Edison Company, brought the term price squeeze into public consciousness. This disputed practice, examined in the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit in 1990, occurs when a company exerts its market power to unfairly manipulate prices, potentially driving competitors out of the market. The conflict arose when the Massachusetts communities of Concord and Wellesley filed a lawsuit against Boston Edison Company alleging unfair pricing practices. According to the town's claim, the practices of Boston Edison were engendering a price squeeze, thereby compromising their ability to compete. Identifying whether Boston Edison's pricing practices constituted an exclusionary practice under Sherman Act Section 2 required a delicate analysis from the court. The judges drew upon precedents set in earlier judgments like United States v. Aluminum Company of America, where the aluminum tycoon was accused of similar charges. The town of Concord's claim was initially upheld by the district court. However, the story took an unexpected turn when Boston Edison appealed the verdict. On appeal, the court overturned the initial ruling. It concluded that a price squeeze, in a scenario where both primary and secondary level prices are regulated by the government, does not traditionally constitute an exclusionary practice. Boston Edison's pricing practices, therefore, were not found to have breached the Sherman Act Section 2. The court derived this conclusion on the basis of the absence of substantial evidence indicating monopolistic conduct by Boston Edison. The ruling was accompanied by a nuanced understanding that while price squeezes could potentially lead to anti-competitive outcomes, it wouldn't always be the case, particularly in regulated industries. Thus, the verdict formed an important part of antitrust jurisprudence, but with the caveat that there might be exceptions in extraordinary situations, a matter left to be further explored in future decisions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.